Start-stop systems are designed to temporarily shut off your engine when the vehicle comes to a complete stop, helping save fuel and reduce emissions. When a warning light appears, it indicates a problem with the system. Different light patterns have specific meanings that help diagnose the issue. The primary causes of start-stop warning lights fall into three main categories: battery-related issues, environmental conditions, and mechanical problems. To begin troubleshooting, start with basic diagnostics. First, check your battery voltage using a multimeter. It should read 12.4 volts or higher with the engine off. Next, inspect your battery terminals for corrosion. Clean, white, powdery buildup on terminals can prevent proper electrical connection and cause system malfunctions. Finally, consider your recent driving patterns. Short trips may prevent the battery from fully charging, which can trigger start-stop system warnings. Highway driving helps maintain proper battery charge levels. When basic checks don't resolve start-stop warning lights, several reset procedures can restore system functionality. These methods address temporary software glitches and system calibration issues. The soft reset is the first method to try. Turn off the engine completely, wait exactly 5 minutes, then restart and drive for at least 10 minutes above 25 miles per hour. This allows the system to recalibrate and clear temporary faults. For more persistent issues, try a battery disconnect reset. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes, then reconnect. This completely resets the vehicle's electronic systems and forces a full system relearn. The third reset method involves manually toggling the Start-Stop Disable button. Turn the system off and on 3 times with 30-second intervals between each toggle. This forces the system to reinitialize its settings. When reset procedures fail, advanced diagnostics using an OBD scanner provide detailed system information. Modern diagnostic tools can identify specific fault codes and monitor real-time system data. Common diagnostic trouble codes include P0A93 for start-stop system faults and P0562 for system voltage low conditions. These codes pinpoint specific system failures and guide repair procedures. Live data monitoring tracks critical parameters in real time. Monitor battery voltage under load, alternator output, engine temperature, and transmission status to identify intermittent faults that may not trigger codes. Component-specific testing isolates individual system failures. Battery load tests verify capacity under stress, while alternator output tests ensure proper charging. Starter draw tests identify excessive current consumption, indicating wear. Professional diagnosis achieves significantly higher success rates than DIY troubleshooting. While DIY methods succeed 45% of the time, professional technicians achieve 92% success, and dealer-level diagnosis reaches 98% accuracy.